Hello everybody, I'm Abinav, and for the Open Agents ETHGlobal Hackathon, I have built Edgent. Every AI agent eventually hits a wall. Not a bug, not bad code, just physics. Your device runs out of RAM mid-inference, the job dies. And today, the only options are crash, wait, or hand it off to the cloud. All of which require a human, a pre-configured account, or both. Well, that is not autonomous. And for the next generation of edge AI agents, that is not good enough. Well, Edgent solves this. Edgent is a daemon that runs on any Linux edge device. And this is the demo for Edgent. I'll quickly explain the setup. So this is currently my edge AI device. So this is a very old Jetson Nano with very less compute, and it is currently powered by a buck converter and a 10,000 mAh battery. And this is connected via Ethernet to my Dell G15 laptop, as the network adapter isn't working, so I'm giving it Wi-Fi over Ethernet. So my Dell G15 laptop is going to act as the provider here, and this is going to request. So basically, the workflow is something like this. I'm going to have an agent run on my Jetson, and due to the lack of resources in Jetson, my Jetson over the AXL P2P mesh is going to delegate the task to my G15, and whatever I explained before is going to happen end to end, and finally the result is going to come back to my Jetson. So let's quickly run the demo. So let me first start my provider. So as you can see in my G15, I also have Olama up and running, and we are going to be using Tiny Llama model for this. So let us start the provider. Okay, cool. The provider is up and running. Let me start the request. Let me start the requester. Okay, cool. So the requester is now started. Let me wait until the Axel API is ready. Cool. Axel API is ready, and it has also sent a pre-flight request. And as you can see here, the pre-flight request has been received by my provider. Let me now. So here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to run an agent on the Jetson with a prompt. Explain how neural networks learn in one sentence. For hackathon purposes, I'm force delegating the task to my Dell, assuming this explanation has lack of this explanation cannot be done locally on the Jetson. That is, there is not much resources on the Jetson for this explanation. So let us run this. So as you can see, it is force delegating here, and in my Dell, you can see I have received a resource request. So let me go back to my. So as you can see here, it has broadcasted the resource request to one of the peers. So I will be running this task on the Jetson, which the Jetson will delegate it to the Dell, and the Dell will fully do the compute and return it back to the Jetson. So let's go. Okay, so for hackathon purposes, I have force delegated the task to the Dell. So as you can see, the Dell has received the task and is processing it. It is generating a ZK proof now. So I'll also show you the Olama compute. So as you can see, Olama also got the Tiny Llama model of Olama has also done the compute, and now as you can see here, I have got the delegated result where it explains in one sentence on how neural networks learn, and this is the transaction hash, this is the execution ID, and you can see it has everything has been on chain. Keeper hub works, the ZK proof was valid, it verifies the ZK proof, it calls Keeper hub, and everything is done on Axel mesh completely, and here the payment has been confirmed. So that's the demo, guys. Thank you, guys.